Earth, the home of 7.8 billion humans. Humans, the only intelligent species on this planet. We are not the first civilization on this planet, and nor we are the last. There had been many civilizations in the past era on this earth. They were more intelligent than the current human civilization. Humans are the guest on this planet, but some people think they are the master of this planet. Current human civilization is on self-destructive mode, ending the human life cycle on Earth before its scheduled doomsday. Having more than 200 countries and a population of almost 8 billion humans does not have a team to protect the earth, the pandemic threat. Every country is fighting pandemic as if they are living on different planets. When we are living on one planet, why we do not have a one pandemic team for the whole earth to deal with such critical situation? One earth, one team. Humans on earth are in badly need of one pandemic team which represents the whole earth, but sadly we do not have even in this 21st century. The pandemics are similar to the asteroid hitting the earth. The intentions of both the pandemic and the asteroids are same: extinction of human race. Giving you the glimpse of 5 worst pandemics this current human civilization has faced. Each of these pandemics had the potential to wipe out the human race. Each of these pandemics had the potential to wipe out the human race. Each of these pandemics had the potential to wipe out the human race. These 5 pandemics together have killed more than 400 million people. Vaccine era started from the year 1796, but even after that, the pandemic merciless death run continued. Almost all the busiest cities of the earth look deserted. The pandemic has come back with a new face. This is 21st century pandemic. The pandemic has made us so fragile, we cannot step outside, and we call ourselves as the most intelligent species in this entire galaxy. Financial loss to the world economy from a pandemic is minimum $1,000 billion. For 20 pandemic the humans have faced, the financial loss will come up to minimum $20,000 billion. The cost of proactively developing a vaccine for a pandemic may not cost more than $10 billion. After the pandemic, the people of Earth are ready to face the minimum financial loss of $1,000 billion. But they are not ready for investing $10 billion for developing a vaccine. With contribution of $10, we can finance many pandemic vaccine. The choice is yours. You want to live in pandemic or you want to be a free man. This contribution of $10 is less than the price of the flowers we put on grave. Almost all countries have massive stocks of arms and ammunition to kill millions of people, but no stocks of life-saving devices. this human civilization end seems to be near. The sole responsibility of the pandemic team will be to develop vaccine for pandemic. For most of the previous pandemics, we do not have vaccine. If this pandemics visit us again, we again will go into lockdown and see our close ones die. Earth pandemic team can visit any medical facilities of any countries. There will be no country boundaries, as this is the Earth team, and this team will be elected by the people of the earth and not by the country leaders. Humans are very fast in developing a missile but very slow in developing a vaccine. Why can't we develop a vaccine within a month? Let's make all resources required for developing a vaccine to the Earth pandemic team, and they will deliver the vaccine for all the known pandemics. It is likely we'll go down in the history of Earth as one of the weakest civilization to ever exist on Earth. You may be a billionaire, but for pandemic, you are just a number count. These are poisonous and highly infected creatures, but sadly, some section of human beings are behaving like animals and eating these creatures. These people who are eating such creatures actually belongs to the Stone Age era or even before that. Such peoples are by mistake born in the 21st century. There should be strict earth law to punish such people who are the source of pandemic. During pandemic lockdown, the animals are enjoying their freedom in the absence of humans. Even the marine life enjoying their freedom in the absence of any human activities. Does this mean we as a humans are the unwanted species on this earth? During future space tourism, our inaction today may lead to such reality where Earth is under pandemic lockdown. Each individual $10 contribution for Earth pandemic team may avoid such situation. To the family you love the most, what do you want to give them? A colorful life or the scary nights? Enjoying their birthday and having a cake piece, or saying rest in peace due to death in pandemic for want of vaccine. The angel is watching you. The choice is yours. You can free the earth from pandemic, at least for your loved ones, by helping in forming the Earth Pandemic Team.